Hey, it's Jeff Wiseman, and I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter. They're mounted behind here. We're on a 2007 BMW X-5 E-70. I got this replacement carbon, or should I say charcoal filter activated exact replacements for this. It's very easy to do. I paid $26 on Amazon, free shipping for this. So this is real easy to do. All you're going to need is a 1/2-inch socket and you don't even need a ratchet wrench, but we're going to use it. And you're going to need an extension thing like this too. So you got 3 on top here. These are just quarter turns to remove these. And one more right there. You got 4 of them. I was wrong. Not even quarter turns. That gets this piece to come out. Now, behind here, you've got another one that's got 1, 2, 3. Quarter turn. This is where you need your extension to get to those. Quarter turn. Quarter turn. And then you just twist this out, and there are your filters. Or should I say, there are my filters. Push on the tabs here, push on the tabs here. This is the dirty side, that's the clean side. Now they're charcoal activated, so it's still going to be dirty and gray looking. These are the exact replacement OEM, original equipment manufacturer. So I can definitely see a difference on the clean side and dirty side too. So anyways, just snaps right in. Hear it snap. I don't want to snap. There we go. And we get the other one out. Push on the tabs. And out it comes. I mean, they're charcoal activated, so you cannot see through them. But I will also confirm that with the new one. Actually, you can see a little bit of light through it. So, snap, snap. Snap, snap, and then you just reverse the procedure for putting them back in. That feels good. Quarter turn to the right, righty-tighty, quarter turn to the right, snap. Quarter turn to the right, and I fucking lost my socket. God damn it. There it is. Everybody should have a magnetic picker-upper dealie. Gotta have one of those. So that's all secure and in there. So now it's just a matter of putting the top back on. This has a little, looks like a water drain here. This got to fit into a little hole right there. Easy to get to, easy to find. And that's it. Sock it back on. Quarter turn to the right. 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 And you're all good. It's that easy. Now, I'm not sure what the manufacturer's recommendations are. I'm sure they want it done every, oh, here we go, when to replace, every 12 months or 12,000 miles. Basically, if you start smelling stink coming through your air conditioning, that's the time to replace it. I replace it just because I'm doing a lot of scheduled maintenance on the vehicle. As you can tell by the other two videos, and I got one more coming. So stay tuned. Anyways, I think 12 months or 12,000 miles is a little bit exaggerated, but you make up your own mind. It's pretty easy to do. Don't pay BMW because they'll charge you $50 per filter. There's two of them, so there's $100, and they'll probably get you for $200 labor. Anyways, it's Jeff Wiseman. Have fun with your BMW. See ya.